This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Glen Heights Police Department. Stevie Patrice Johnson was last seen in the 800 block of Cascade Drive just before 5 o'clock today. She is 14 years old. She was seen wearing a gray jacket, blue jeans, and Air Force One shoes. Authorities say the suspect is 33-year-old Shawnee Hickman. She was last seen wearing a black and red jacket with tiger striped sleeves, black leather pants, and red shoes. The suspect vehicle is described as a black 2017 GMC Terrain with the Missouri license plate CTO E6R. Anyone who may have information is asked to call the Glen Heights Police Department at 972-223-3478. We now resume normal programming. Here for A number 1 air. Fall has hit North Texas. Means things are getting cooler out there.